Well, all Richard made through Sky were down with Brian. Finally. Oh, we got to put the stickers on the dredge before we get again.
Yeah, I need to do that before we get going.
Yeah, Mike was and I were talking about that pile right there that I need to go through it for fossils.
Oh yeah, I was thinking. I picked all kind of quartz for the rock tumbler out of here.
I did forget some down there. That's the reason why my bucket was so light last time. Had some rain coming down before. Just spotty. Should be a good day though.
It poured down right before you got here.
Yeah, it was raining the whole time.
And it's going to storm again.
86.78% now?
Yeah. It's not getting better.
All right, well, hopefully I'll take some time to make some kind of video. Yeah, there's some nice rocks there too.
What quartz are they? I got any quartz. Look good in the tumbler.
Yeah, you threw that nickel in? Yeah, there's 76 NFIC right there. Oh, there's my rocks I forgot. Take it off the zoom here real quick if I can. Hopefully I don't bust my butt here. See some bedrock and a bunch of other stuff. I think I'll take that cool rock home. There's that big rock with the quartz vein in it. Thought I had a geode here somewhere. That's a conglomerate. So work these holes out. Well, we get this dredge going. Alright guys, this is like a week or so later. You all heard about the phone getting soaked. Sorry, I can't keep my hands still. This after work late at night. I'm did a little experiment here. Brian and I were talking before about the toolbox. This little mat was too short, but always had good luck with it if I didn't run it too hot. And pretty much doing the cleanup from Brian's last week. And see if we get any extra gold or if it stops more. It looks like its flow's kind of low and not holding on to anything. Or holding more. Oh, most of the black sand moved on. See a bunch of garnets. Okay, I guess I'll put it back in the tripod. My guess too much coffee and not enough water tonight. It was pretty dang hot. Heat wave over here in the Midwest. So I'll see what happens with here. Alright, this is the from this mat. Looks like I don't have it really clean. I probably should have run the other mat a little bit longer. Yeah, we didn't see really any big flakes, but you can already see we get all these going. This is like half. There's a lot of Indiana flower gold in here. Little piece of lead too. All right, see what's in this piece. There's a lot of junk in there, but we'll see what happens here. I'll snuff this up. See, there's a lot more light stuff in there, but caught a lot more garnets. Huh. Yeah, the toolbox always usually does me good if I don't run it too hot. You know, I classify it. I caught a lot more black sand and garnets. Yeah, it's pretty late here. Yeah, I don't know, it's left over, but one little tiny speck. One little micro piece. Right there. Yeah, one little micro piece. All right. Snuffer that guy up. Oh, might be something here too. I gotta magnify that, but it's acting like gold. Yeah, I usually run it twice, but yeah, you can see the little piece right here. Let me check it out to make sure. This magnification doesn't lie. No, that's a piece of gold. So one little micro piece and one little piece of flour right there. All right, well, maybe I'm gonna start this up tomorrow and put the other piece on there. I think that was mica I grabbed, but all right, y'all. All right, I'll see what snuffer dump shows. I wasn't seeing any bigger flakes like last trip. We were working clay more. And in the last run with toolbox, I did have that extra plastic mat on the end. Actually, not that bad. There are some little flakes on here. So yeah, not too bad. Like I said, we only ran, you know, by messing around and moving, and of course, me getting out there late as usual. Not a bad cleanup, in my opinion. Boy, my road is pretty busy today. But this is all the stuff we pulled out. Looks like an old 7-Up bottle. Old beer bottle. That probably was like a Pepsi bottle. Brian found that. It looks like, I don't know if I want to really smash it or not, but it looks like it's a conglomerate, of course, with looks like garnets in there. Don't have the water bottle ready, but something's in there. Probably should have put a black light on it. Trying to find that. Did find a 22 bolt, which I don't know where it went. But of course, looks like fence wire. A bunch of other. Oh, this is all magnetics. Oh, there it is. There's the bolt. With that, with the rest of the lead. So, you know, there's some other little piece of fossils and nice rocks I pulled out. Oh, hold on. I'll take you guys outside. All right, close this out. There's some of the finds. Actually, I found this before. And finally grabbed it. Some bigger crinoids. Don't know if I'm going to split this or work some of these fossils out. Some other conglomerates I want to have my phone cut off, but little geode. It's pretty neat. But some of these conglomerates going to crush because we did find gold in some, and the rooster don't like me being out here talking. I can't remember if I showed this or not. I don't know if I'm going to work that out or not. Brian found that. Neat one. This is a weird geode looking thing. I don't know if I want to split that. You can really tell the no trilobites. You see little shells and crinoids and stuff in there. Pretty neat piece. Anyway, I don't know if I said this twice, but I got a secret squirrel for Vendetta coming up. Also, try to get a huck in here soon. I'm not going to, like I said before, I'm not going with living room panner. I promised a huck here, so get that going. I got a little bit to do left on the house before my buddy helps me out with aluminum siding. And so appreciate y'all hanging out. Thanks again, Brian. Alan, Curry, little shout out. I know I'm forgetting a bunch of others. I didn't bring my notes out here, but have a blessed week, and I hope to get out in the creek again soon. Thanks, guys.